Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So, get the obvious out of the way. I'm recording in the 16:9, and that's just because that's how I took the pictures. That's how I recorded what I was saying about the different patterns I'm going to show you that I've made. So I just recorded the whole thing in this format. I will be going back to the regular format after this. I didn't want to start out one way and then end up another way. So that's why this video looks slightly different on if you're watching it on your TV. So I wanted to show you some of my past makes that I've been promising to show you and just never showed you. And also my other two 9337s. So I don't know which one I'm showing you first, but here we go. I'll do 9337. Y'all know this. This is my ultimate TNT. I made it out of the scuba knit that I got from Fine Fabrics. Is right here. This is one of them. Love this print. And then the purple looking one is on the hanger. I'll bring it over. This is the other print that I made the other one out of. Absolutely love them. I actually love making this out of the scuba knit fabric, and it lasts wash after wash after wash. It doesn't shrink. I love it. I love that scuba knit fabric that I got from Fine Fabrics. How I know it doesn't shrink, because my top is still too big. So I always have to pull my sleeves up in the top. But overall, y'all know I love this pattern. Y'all know it is my favorite pattern to sew. So I love when the fall season comes. It does have a summer version on here. That I might make the summer version next year for summer, with the shorts and everything. But love this pattern. A+, highly recommend. All of the things. I volunteer to distribute all of it. So I'll pop a few pictures up as I'm talking, but I also put some stuff at the end of the video. The next one is the Simplicity 8046, the dress. This one I did not take pictures in, but I did do a quick little video telling you about the pattern, so I'll pop that in now. Okay, so finally I'm showing you the Simplicity 8046 that I made during the summer. Has a little bit of a glare, but that's the dress there. This is it in its rawest form. I haven't done any adjustments or anything like that. Excuse the bra situation. But this is the dress. Because I'm short, it's almost hitting the floor, and it's actually supposed to hit more at calf length. But this is the dress. It's fine. I think I'll probably need to make it out of different fabric. The bodice, I actually do need a different, the bodice fits. But if I were to make it out of, let's say, something that's not a knit, I would need a larger size bodice. The bodice, I think I cut at a large. Let me see. Yeah, the whole thing is cut at a large. I like it. I was confused at how to add the pockets at first. That took me a minute to kind of figure out, because all of this is separate. This whole thing here is the pocket, so it's a whole separate piece, and then you got the pocket part right here. So these are separate pieces. This is separate piece, and then the back is a separate piece. So I was a little confused at first on how to put the pockets. Everything else was simple and straightforward, but when I got to where I needed to add the pocket, I was so confused. But it was just me. I was overthinking it. This is actually an easy sew. Very easy sew. If I were to do any modifications or anything, I definitely would need to make it shorter. And probably also tighten up the elastic, because there's elastic here. Yeah, it's elastic here in the hem. So I'll probably need to tighten up the elastic on the dress. But other than that, the dress is fine. I think it's an easy and a cute make if you happen to have this pattern. I'm not sure if it's still in print or not, but it's unique. I think it's cute. A nice summer dress. So I like the dress. I just think it just needs a little bit of tweaking. Probably a different fabric. I used a lightweight rib knit fabric from Walmart. So I'm pulling everything over, but this is the fabric that I used. It's a nice fabric. Like I said, I would tighten up the elastic around the hem a little bit. I would shorten it, tighten up the elastic around the hem, and this is a good dress. It's a good dress for summer. It's very, very comfortable. Like I said, I was confused on the pockets, but I got it together finally. And last but not least is this McCall's 8368. Views B and C over here, although with that cutout, the struggle I had, probably should have did that one. But yeah. Mommy helped me with this one. She did most of the heavy lifting. Pants, super easy to make. The top, you got to work with it a little bit, because you got to do the you got to hem this little cutout part here and all of that stuff. And I didn't add the elastic to the waistband. The waistband fit fine without it. Yeah, I like the pattern. I could definitely wear the pants with something else. The top, I'm not wearing that anywhere. Yeah, because you can always see my bra here at the bottom. And possibly maybe I needed a bigger size with the top. I don't know. I'm not really sure, because Mommy had to do, she had to put some darts here because it was just poking out here. So I'm not really sure, you know, what that was about. I'm not that experienced of a seamstress. So I'm glad Mommy was here, because she was able to put some darts here for me so this arm hole wouldn't stick out. So I'll pop that video in so you can see me talking about the outfit. So this is McCall's 8368. I made views B and C. Mommy helped me. She did most of the heavy lifting. And please excuse me if I'm showing y'all all my business. Okay, so overall, I like the outfit. I wouldn't use this fabric again. This is a spandex fabric. I would just go with like a regular knit fabric to make it. It's difficult for me to wear one of my bras that I have on hand because you can see it here. So in order for me to take the pictures, I had to go braless. I do have a picture with the bra on, but you can kind of see the bra here. And that's why my hand is here, because I'm braless right now. But this is it. So it wasn't a difficult make. There are certain parts that could be difficult, like trying to do the hem here and, you know, hemming. But mommy put bias tape in the arm and the neck. But the pants were very easy to sew. I didn't add the elastic to the pants. It just didn't make any sense for me because the pants fit fine. It's a cute outfit. You know, I'm not wearing it out anywhere just simply because of the bra situation. I would need to find a bra. And also because I will be pulling, because this shirt will ride up. So I probably won't be wearing this out anywhere. The pants are super comfortable though. I could wear these pants with a different shirt all day. But the top, not so much. Y'all see I keep putting my hand here. I don't want to show y'all all my goodies. But yeah, I like the fit. I feel very sexy in this outfit. But yeah, it's cute. I would recommend it. I'll probably need to do this view in the top if I were to do it again. But like I said, mommy did most of the heavy lifting. And then, and I know I said this in previous videos, Brittany has a tutorial that you can follow on this pattern. But yeah, I'll pop some pictures up so you can see the outfit. All right, so overall, that's what I've gotten done so far as my fall makes. And then those are the summer makes that I needed to show you and just never got a chance to show you. I got all 3 of the 9337s done. I'm so proud of them. I can add them to my closet to wear once the weather starts to get cooler and cooler. We fluctuate here in Georgia, so in the morning I could wear it, and then in the afternoon I'd probably catch on fire because I'll be so hot. I'm working on now, the pattern's way over there. I'm working on the McCall's pattern with the color block on the sleeve and then the color block down the leg. I can't think of what the number is, but I'm working on that right now. I'm going to record that journey to see how it comes out. I'm going to do the black ponte knit with the Ankara print. So yeah, I can't wait to take you all along on that journey with me. But this journey has come to an end. Not saying I won't make any more 9337s if I run across some fabric and I go, ooh. But I do think, and I think I said this in another video, it might be the video I'm recording now for the color block. But for the 9337, I think I might take the pants and make those in a fabric, and then make a bomber jacket using that simplicity pattern that I got in my other pattern haul that I needed the bigger size. I might make a bomber jacket in the fabric with the pants. So I can have some bomber jackets instead of just the top, or I might do a hoodie. So, but I know the pants for 9337, they're my jam. Love the way they fit. But I definitely want to make some bomber jackets, some matching sets with those pants, and then a hoodie. On the fence with the hoodie because my 2 color block things are gonna have hoodies, so we'll see. But anyway, that's it. Thank you for being patient with me and me showing you these outfits. I have to be in the mood to get up and take some pictures. I finally got a spot back here that where I don't have to go outside and take pictures, so I'm happy about that. I need to learn the adjustments on my DSLR camera so I don't have to take pictures with my phone. Taking pictures with my phone is fine, but I really want to learn the lighting and everything inside so I can take pictures with my DSLR camera, and also record. I want to make sure that I'm not blurry and I can't really tell. I don't have the flip up or flip to the side thingy on my camera, so I could record something and be blurry the whole time and I would never know. That's my next goal in life, is to get me a camera with a where you can flip up the screen or put the screen to the side. And I have the GoPro, but I gotta figure out a stand for the GoPro because I don't want it to fall in the midst of me recording. I'm rambling now, so that's it. I also got Mimi G's book. I don't have anything right here with me, just so unprepared. But I did get Mimi G's book. Mommy read it. I got the book for both of us, but then I let Mommy take it home, and she read it, and she was like, "This is a good book. You need to get yourself one." Which makes sense, because if the book is at her house and I want to use it, I can't, and vice versa. I did get, send Mimi a message, and her assistant sent the PDF patterns, because, all the patterns are in the back of the book, but you would have to, I think, trace them off. So I did get Mimi's, I contacted Mimi. She had her assistant send me the PDFs. You send the assistant an email, basically, is how you get the PDFs, if you were wondering. So I sent I can't even talk. I sent Mimi a DM and asked her for the PDFs, and she asked me to send an email to her assistant. So that's what I did. I did it that night. The next morning, I had the PDFs in my email. So, if you want to trace, go ahead. If you want the PDF patterns, you got to email Mimi's assistant. So if you get the book is $22 on Amazon, which I think is a great price for it. It was $35 and it's down to $22. So I will link my Amazon store if you're interested in getting the book. It is an affiliate link. There's no extra cost to you. I just get a small little commission if you order through my link. So that is it. That is everything. Question of the day: out of these 3 patterns, have you made them? Do you plan on making them? Is it something that you would like to do to make? All right, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.